I'm gonna go from this to this to this. This is a magnolia tree in the fall. So here I am immersing these into a bleach bath. This leaf is a hydrangea, but the rest of it is all magnolia, and this is what happens when it's immersed in bleach. Purely experimental. And this is what it looks like afterwards. We're outside painting. I was all ready to make the wreath. You could see the tripod set up in the background there, and completely got distracted by life. I had my husband taking down branches because I wanted some of them.
No?
He thought it was fun to just throw them at me. Hee hee hee. So it's important to get organized. I got my old wreath down that I had all summer. It was basically a flower garland that was wrapped around with floral wire, which is this. That's how it's attached to the round floral wreath organizer thingamajiggy. So the branches that came off the tree, I wrapped around the floral wreath wooden thingamajiggy. I really should get to know what these things are called, honestly. So this is what it looks like once it's done. I wanted it to look like a horseshoe shape, which is where I was going to attach. But this happened. So in lieu of me not filming that, I'm going to show you an old clip. So these magnolia leaves were done a couple of years ago because I was experimenting back then, but this was a failed attempt as magnolia leaves tend to get really dry when you bleach them, although they look absolutely gorgeous here. Let's do a time lapse of this because it's just pretty when it's done. Although you can't handle it worth a damn because it was so brittle to the touch. I had to go so slowly. Although you are seeing the time lapse, when I actually had to handle it, it was not the best idea. Although in the garland you see me sticking the stem of the leaf down first onto the string. If you are trying this, not to put it on a string because it is too weak and too soft and brittle basically. I would do it on something a little bit more firmer like a grapevine or something else. When you're gluing down the magnolia leaves for the circular shape one that I was just making, I stuck it from the bottom all the way to the top. So leaf down first, and then the next one would layer on top of it. That way you avoid seeing the stem. Hope that was clear. Reveal in 3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!